turbo diesel, Duramax engine, turn away. This is an LML. It is a 2013. There's a hellacious wreck. Obviously it didn't hurt the engine. You want to talk about violent. Oh yeah. But again, didn't hurt the engine. Just purring away. We had to get all the wires back on the firefighters truck doing their job. And away it goes. Let's go in, take a look at the vitals on this pup. They actually have left me a nice way to get in. Probably easier for me to get in than it was for the guy to get out. Let's see here. Oh, this is all torn apart. It's the accident. There we go. All right, mileage coming in at 127,369. So we'll call it 127. As you can see, oil pressure is awesome at 60. We are not quite warmed up, as you can see, well, way over there. It's getting there. And then, of course, the throttle response on these newer LMLs is right there. Talk about an awesome running engine. So, obviously, somebody else's misfortune can be your great deal. Give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. We can give you a deal on an awesome standalone, even if you need, package diesel engine. 2013, all the horsepower you need, and torque to boot. Give us a call, 207-457-5500, and thanks.